Introducing our sight words. Do. Do you want a taco? Ooh. Brain bit, the O makes an ooh sound. Do. D-O. Do. Let's play a game. When you see the word do, put your thumb up. When you don't, put it down. Ahoy, matey! Keep your focus up here! Or, would you like a burger or a hot dog? Or, O-R, or. Let's play another game. When you see the word or, pretend to be happy. When you don't, pretend to be sad. Hey animals, what do you like to do in the snow? Do you like to wiggle or roll? Do you like to play fight or pounce? Do you like to roll down a hill or waddle? Do you like to bathe or jump? Do you like to run or slide? Grab a marker or something to write with. Take a peek. This is what your words will look like when you're done. D, O, leave a space. O, R. Fantastic! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.